Good morning. This is Arun. Today we are going to see the arithmetic expression. We may already heard about the arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division. So in programming in C, so we have already performed some basic arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here arithmetic expressions, that is a simple a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into c, that you call it as arithmetic expression. This you've already seen in algebra in mathematics. So here in the data structure, the arithmetic expression we call it as a notation. So see here, the way to write arithmetic expression is known as notation. An arithmetic expression can be written in three different but equivalent notations without changing the essence or output of an expression. These notations are these are some of the arithmetic expression. We call it as notations: infix notation, prefix notation, postfix notation. This prefix notation, otherwise you call it as polish notation. Otherwise you call it as polish notation. Postfix you call it as reverse polish notation. That is, a plus b may be written as, that is, it is an infix. Operator is placed between two operands, that you call it as infix. We will see in the upcoming slides. So that is, so a plus b will give some output. The same output should be given. It is after converting to the prefix or postfix. That is what they are saying. An arithmetic expression can be written in three different but equivalent notations without changing the essence or output of an expression. So we will see one by one. First we will see the infix notation. Infix means, so before going to infix, you should know what is an operator and what is an operand. So A, B, C, E up to Z, it may be in the uppercase or lowercase. The alphabet you call it as operand. The operators, that is plus, minus, addition, that is addition, subtraction symbol, then division and multiplication, that you call it as operators. Okay. Infix means if you are placing a operator, that is say plus, minus, multiplication or division, between the operand, that you call it as infix notation. See here, we write expression in infix notation. For example, a minus b plus c, where operators are used in between operands. It is easy for us humans to read, write and speak in infix notation, but the same does not go well with computing devices. So we need an algorithm. That is, an algorithm to process infix notation could be difficult and costly in terms of time and space consumption. That is the disadvantage of this algorithm. Okay, now we'll see the prefix. Prefix means, so here infix means between the operands. Prefix means before the operand, operator is placed. See here, in this notation, operator is prefixed to operands, that is, operator is written ahead of operands. For example, see here, we are writing in between the operand, but here before the operand. See here, example, plus AB. This is equivalent to infix notation A plus B. That is, already I have said that this also gives the same output, this also gives the same output. Prefix notation is also known as polish notation. See here, already we have seen prefix, the other name for prefix is polish notation. So it will be, if we were going to write the examination, they may ask the polish notation or prefix notation. Next we will see the postfix notation. Postfix means, so we have already seen infix means between the operand. Prefix means before the operand, operator is placed. Postfix means after the operand. So this notation style is known as reversed polish notation. In this notation style, the operator is postfixed to the operands, that is the operator is written after the operand. For example, AB plus. See here in between the operator is placed. Here before the operator is placed. Here after the operator is placed. So see here, this is equivalent to its infix notation A plus B. So same thing, same output comes. So these are the three things we should keep in mind. So that is infix, prefix and postfix notation. Now we will see the table for infix, prefix and this will give you a clear understand about infix, prefix and postfix notation. See here, infix, the operand is placed in between the operator. This is prefix and this is postfix. The same thing for using three operand. See here. So there is some priority to operators, that is we will see that later. Based on that only they are converting this infix to prefix, prefix to postfix and all. So see here, so some plus minus has lowest priority, this is division symbol as the middle priority, that is and the exponent symbol as the highest priority. We will see that based on that only we are converting this infix to prefix or a postfix conversion. So see here, so this is the table. We will convert this. How to convert infix to postfix or prefix we will see. First we will see some of the expressions. So see here, there are 6 notations. Now we will see what is a parsing expression. As we discussed, it is not a very difficult way to design an algorithm or program to parse infix notation. Instead of this infix notation are first converted into either postfix or prefix notation and then computed. To parse any arithmetic expression, we need to take care of operator precedence and associativity also. We will see the precedence first, then we will see the associativity. So first we will see precedence. So when an operand is in between two different operators, so say which operator will take the operand first is decided by the precedence of an operator over others. For example, A plus B star C is equal to A plus, this can be converted like this, A plus B into C. How that is how we have performed means based on the priority. So I have already said plus and minus has lowest priority. So that is why first we are performing the multiplication. Multiplication has the highest priority than the addition and subtraction, that is plus and minus. We will see that. As the multiplication operator has a precedence over addition, that is B into C will be evaluated first. A table of an operator precedent is will be provided later. That is, so I have already said precedence means priority. That is the meaning for precedence, which operator has highest priority. Okay, now we will see associativity next. Associativity describes the rule where operators within the same precedence appears in an expression. For an example, associative means we are associating plus minus those things and all. A plus B minus C, both plus and minus have the same precedence. Then which part of the expression will be evaluated first is determined by the associativity of those operators. So here what they are saying means plus and minus has the same priority, but which will you perform first, that is what they are saying. That here both plus and are left associative, so the expression will be evaluated as A plus B minus C. Precedence and associativity determines the order of evaluating of an expression. Following is an operator precedence and associativity table highest to lowest priority. Now we will see how they are using those things. See here, so exponentation, I have already shown exponent operator is the highest priority. See here, right associative, highest priority, precedence means priority. Multiplication and division as the second highest priority, left associative. Addition and subtraction as the lowest, that is also left associative. So based on this only we will perform an infix to postfix or infix to prefix or postfix to infix conversions. So see here, so this is the highest priority, this exponent operator has highest priority. Then multiplication and division as the second highest priority, and addition and subtraction as the third highest priority. If these things also can happen in this conversion, that is both plus and minus at the same time, if it appears. So if if plus is entered into the stack first, then minus is entered next, then the plus will be popped out, then we will perform subtraction. Likewise the conversion will takes place from infix to prefix or postfix to prefix, likewise, or prefix to infix. The above table shows the default behavior on operators. At any point of time in expression evaluation, the order can be altered by using parentheses. For example, see here, this can be this arithmetic expressions can be written like this. See here the expression part, B star C will be evaluated first. Why it is evaluated first B into C? Because multiplication and division, multiplication operator is the second highest priority, but addition and subtraction is the lowest priority. That is why first, based on this priority only, we are going to perform which operator is to be performed first. So here, which operator has the highest priority? Multiplication. So that is why we are performing B into C. Then only we are going to perform A plus B. See here, will be evaluated first with multiplication as precedence over addition. We here as use parenthesis for A plus B to evaluate it first, like A plus B into C. Now we will see the algorithm for postfix evaluation. Step 1, scan the expression from left to right. Step 2, if it is an operand, push into the stack. So there will be a column like this, a stack symbol. If it is an operand, that means plus minus, that is operand means, sorry, it means that is the alphabets A, B, C, that means you should push into the stack. If it is an operator, pull the operand from the stack and perform operation. Store the output of step 3 back to back. So this is algorithm. Step 5, scan the expression until all the operands are consumed. Step 6, pop the stack and perform the operation. In the next class, we will see how we are going to convert the infix to prefix or infix to postfix using the stack. Then only you will have the clear idea about the conversions. So you need to remember 3 important things in this conversion. That is the priority to the given to the operators. That is exponent as highest priority, multiplication and division as the second highest, and addition and subtraction as the lowest priority. This is the important thing you should keep in the mind. Then if both the addition and subtraction comes at the same time, then what you have to perform, that is what, and another important thing you have to keep in the mind. Next class we will see the conversion in the detailed manner, that is prefix to infix or prefix to postfix, how we are going to convert those things. Thank you.